For the third step of pottery making, we're going to show you how to make different shapes.
First, you have to think of what you want to make. If you want to make a cup, a bowl, or a plate. Starting with our basic shape right here, if you're going to make a cup, push your two thumbs down, then slowly outwards, and then upwards. From that shape, if you want to make a bowl, pull the walls of the clay outwards and slowly upwards. If you want to make a plate, pull the walls a little bit downwards from inside.
We just showed you how to make a cup, a bowl, and a plate. If you want to make different shapes, you can always ask your instructor, who will be happy to help you. Next, we're going to show you how to use your fingers, because that is one of the most important parts of pottery making, isn't it?
Yes, you're right.